Hello guys, this is GameCuber and today we will have a drop test number 2 of this 5.5 centimeter 3 by 3 cube which I have brought from a nearby shop. So we will have a drop test of this cube from second floor. Uh, in the previous drop test I have dropped a small cube, pretty small cube, but we now have a big cube and we will drop it from the second floor from the same height. You can see the height from here. So this is the height. So will it what will it the conditions after dropping? Will it breaks, will it pop, or will it same as its uh, this condition? So you can see the pieces lying here and there of the cube, 3 by 3 cube. Uh, I have brought, so you can see these pieces. I think it is popped. It can be reassembled. Uh, you can see the screw and spring. And let's go to the main part of this cube. This is, it is fully damaged. The center caps has been um, taken away from the cube. You can see the cube is fully damaged. So thank you for uh, viewing this video, and comment below if want any help, and please like and give the thumbs up and subscribe please for more videos.